Welcome to my channel. My name is Resi and I'm very passionate about baking. I'm making Wiener Kipferl. Those are Viennese little crescents made out of roasted almonds. A little history on the origin of the Kipferl, as I love to know the stories and cultural heritage behind the food we make and eat. Kipferl originated well before 1683 in Vienna. History books even go back to the year 1000. A Viennese baker gifted Count Leopold on his arrival to Vienna around Christmas time a Kipferl. It originated in a monastery, as the first bakeries were in fact monastery bakeries back then. It might have been an old pastry that was made for Easter to imitate the horns of goats, hence the name Hörnchen, little horns. I like to start off by putting all my ingredients ready and measured, so it's very easy. Right here I'm making the double recipe because I'm baking for people I love, friends, family. First off, we're roasting the nuts very slightly. So we're now 5 minutes in of kind of having this in the pan and browning it slightly. You will hear the little nuts making sounds of roasting, and also you will really smell it. And now it's the phase where it's going really quite quickly, getting brown. So you have to keep on turning it around. Once I'm finished, I will put the majority in this bowl and 2 tablespoons in this bowl, which we will use later on for decorating them. So you can see they're ready now, lovely brown. Let this cool until it's completely cooled off. Usually it's like 10-15 minutes. Then mixing everything. This is now perfect. So our dough is ready. It's best to put it for 1 hour either into the fridge or outside. If I look out of my window, I have beautiful snow outside. So I just put it on my balcony for an hour and I go for a walk in this beautiful weather. At my walk and loving it. It's the first day with a bit of snow. I'm in Bavaria, it's beautiful. There's more coming, I think, this weekend. So definitely feeling very much in the Christmas mood. See you later with the cookies. We take our dough. We just go through it. It's quite solid. Yeah, usually I take off a little piece, go through it, and then simply freestyle little horns. You could also use something like this, ready-made, that they're uniform shaped, but I don't know, I haven't tried this before, if I'm being honest. I quite like doing my own shapes. Our tray is ready, the first one. So we're putting this into the oven. Into the middle. And set my timer to, it's usually 10 to 12 minutes. I put it right in the middle, 11 minutes. So the Kipferl are ready. Really nice. Take it out and let them cool off completely. And meanwhile, put in your second batch. So batch number 2, same procedure. Next, we're heating up the chocolate. I'm using this ready-made one. You could use any chocolate. I do this because it's not messy. And yes, you continue dipping the rest of the cookies. I use dark chocolate, but you could also use light one. I find it nicer with the nuts if it's dark. I think it's a beautiful combination. But yes, you could also decorate them in any other way, to be honest. But I think chocolate and nuts, you can't go wrong. And as they dry quite fast, do 1 row and then sprinkle the toasted nuts on there. Another way to decorate this is to go into the chocolate with your brush and just drizzle over them. Also quite nice effect. It's fine if it's a bit messy or a bit different. I think that's what homemade cookies are all about, that it's not so uniform. They turned out so lovely. And now, taste test. Really, really good. If you're interested in further Christmas cookies with a historic context, you should check out this next video where I bake Herrnhuter Herzen. Bye, thanks for joining me and see you in the next video.